Samsara's dash camera is simple to install. Here's how to get started. Inside the box, you'll find the Samsara dash camera and an alcohol wipe. Decide where you would like to mount the camera. Most people choose to place the camera below the rearview mirror. The camera will attach best to a clean surface, so use the alcohol wipe to clean the mounting area on the windshield. Remove the protective sheet from the camera lens and the backing from the adhesive, and firmly press the camera against the windshield. Next, remove the backing from the adhesive on the cable clips and attach them along the top of the windshield. Then you can thread the cable down to the vehicle gateway. Plug the cable into the Samsara gateway. For best results, you'll want to make sure the cable does not wrap around the gateway or cross the diagnostics cable. Log on to samsara.com/activate and enter the serial number of the Samsara dash camera. Click on the settings wheel next to the vehicle number and select Take Picture next to Dashcam Install Capture. If needed, you can use the knobs on the side of the camera to adjust the position until the camera is capturing the desired view frame. Your camera will now begin capturing high-definition video and will automatically upload footage of any harsh driving incidents for your review.